Hello dear Libra, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading for the week of 22nd September till the 28th September. So if you are a Sun Moon Rising Libra and you're watching this reading is for you. So let's get ready, your cards are already out. This is going to be your love and career. In your career you've got the Prophetess and the Death card. Now, what is this telling me? This is telling me that your intuition is going to be very strong this week, and there is a major change that is coming in your career. It could be that you're ending something, it could be that something is changing for you, it could be that you're ending one job to start another, ending your studies to take up a new job, or changing fields, career completely. Something is definitely ending for you. It could be that you're ending your business and maybe starting a new business, or ending your business to take up a regular job. It's totally up to dependent upon your each of your individual situation, but something is ending for you. With the Death card, I see that something will be transformed completely. Your life will be completely changed. This is something unexpected. This can be something that you're expecting. This can be something that your intuition is already telling you, right? But you have to follow your intuition. So if someone tells you that no, there's no ending, you should continue this job, but your intuition is nudging you that no, I think there is an end which is written for you in this, or you cannot continue like this, maybe financial issues, maybe stress, maybe politics, whatever your situation is, something will end this week. But with ending, great transformation is coming, great change is coming. Death card also particularly means that you need to work on something. Is that your attitude? Is that your working hours? Is that your own requirements? Is there a change of location that is needed for you? Is there an upgrade of skills or training that you need? You have to work on yourself. The Death card nudges you to work on yourself in order to transform yourself into a better version of yourself. If you want to attract good opportunities, you will have to work on yourself. And if you're not able to do that, it's going to be a bad ending for you. So please work on yourself. Take that feedback positively, whatever your company or your customers are giving you, and work on your products, work on your services, work on yourself so that your life is changed for the better. So this is a lesson that is coming for you, whether you are preparing for a competitive exam, whether you have a business or a job. This reading applies to you. Now let's see what's happening in your love life. You've got the One of Spades and the Moon card. With that, I see that in your personal life, you're very hopeful. It seems like in case you are in no contact, maybe you're hopeful that that person will come back. In case you are already in a relationship, maybe you're hopeful that this will materialize into marriage in the future. If you are single, maybe you are all set, and there is hope that this relationship I am in is going to going to convert into marriage, or this person that I'm seeing, or this proposal that has come to me is going to convert. But there is something which is hidden from you. There is something which you're supposed to know, but is like consciously being hidden from you by your very own partner or spouse. It can be your relatives, it can be friends, it can be third parties, right? It can be anybody, but I do see a very important information being hidden from you. And once you get to know the truth, you probably would not want to continue with that hope. Probably you would not want to be with this person. Probably if someone is, you know, trying to break things for you, you will know that this person is bad, and probably you will want to end that relationship, that friendship, that cut off that people, that relative as well, right? So to for each one of you, it can be a different situation, but someone is definitely not being honest with you. Something is being hidden from you, and again, you have been asked to follow your intuition. If you follow your intuition, there is a major change that is going to happen in your personal life as well. Means a clearer picture will be shown to you once you follow your intuition, and your dreams as well. Even your dreams will be helping you this week. When this picture comes clear, I do see that probably you will be changing your decisions when it comes to your personal life, like who to trust, who not to trust. And probably you will also be careful in the future, because the Moon card is a card of caution, which means that you have to tread waters very safely, especially if you have just met someone. Please be very careful. Do not trust them entirely, because it could be that they're hiding something from you. So this is your weekly reading. This is going to be a general reading and very specific messages coming for you, out of which the most important, which is applied to both of your personal life and your career life, is that you need to follow your intuition this week. Your intuition is going to be your best friend. And if you guys resonated with this reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now this was a general reading. This might apply to you, might resonate, might not resonate. If it did not, and you think you have very specific questions on your mind, you are very welcome to book your personal readings, which is very situation based, question based, according to your own readings, your own energy. So yes, you can book a personal reading. I have rituals, I have counseling sessions, I have no contact readings and love readings packages as well. So check out the description box for more information. To book any reading, email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, The Moksha Tarot. Please follow and DM me on Instagram if you would like to book any reading for yourself or know any prices. So thank you for watching my channel. Take care of yourself and I'm going to see you very soon. Bye bye.